still with this journey to the top of this mountain. We try to another way. This is, I think this is the right way to the top of mountain. This very deep cliff. My monster truck will pass this challenge. I think we will pick the top of mountain. Oh, a little again, maybe. Break it. Try this. Break it. No. Hide your speed. Add your speed. Boost your speed. Yes. Yes, this is maybe one of top of the mountain. Oh, I still cannot keep my monster truck balance. We go up again. We'll try again. Yeah. Oh no. No. We do go down again. No, break it and push the speed. Yes. Oh, there is 3 over there. Avoid us to the top. Okay, I will go back to the top. Okay, this is successful. I think this is the right street. Oh, a big rock here. You have to pass this. No. You are wrong way. Okay. You have to turn around. Maybe you have to turn around. Oh, no. No. Go back again. Yes. Turn around to the top, please. Okay. Yes. You can turn around over there. Yeah. This is right way. Oh, smaller. The way is smaller. Can I pass this? No. Okay. Come on. Okay, you can do it. You can pass it. My monster truck. Oh, it's go fall down again. I don't know
Hey!
why this happened. You fall into the deep cliff again. Fall again and again. This challenge, it's very hard maybe. But I think we will try in the another time again.